Hi, I just got a new shotgun. Get off my lawn. Okay, so this is kind of like a review of this shotgun that I just got. There are grooves right here that on both sides you have to pull or push, and then that would happen. And then I have a bigger magazine that put on, and then a fast loading thingamabobber that I could use. So I'm first gonna show you the fast loading thing, if I remember. So take this out. It could work on both the large or small magazine. John, can you come hold the phone? Amen. No. Okay. So, what this does is, press this button right here. It does that. And there's a hole right here. Right there. And you put it in there. Do this. Wait. You do this. And it loads up the, Airsoft bullet thingies in here. Pull it down, push the other side, and then it locks. Oh gosh, can't seem to. Okay, I did it. And same thing for this magazine, but there's a little slot that you open up, and you can just pour the pellets in here. So yeah, when there's lid on it, it's better. So same thing with this. And then, wait. And, yeah. It's kind of hard to get this one out.
Don't twist.
Man, the right way. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, yeah. That is a new shotgun. And to adjust the thing, you push this, pull it, and then it'll lock. It's supposed to, yeah, and then you could tighten it if you want to stay that way. And then, yeah, make sure it locks. And then you could, like, tighten it to make sure that it stays that way. And of course, there are the hook thingies for the, oh, there's the click. The hook thingies for the rope that you put around your neck or whatever. And yeah, so a new shotgun, and there's a safety right there. So now I can't pull the trigger. And then on the other side, there's another safety. And yeah, here is like the total shotgun itself. Oh gosh, I'm dying. Boom, right there. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Thanks. See ya.